Imagine a world where you may be limited to using only 180 litres of fresh water per year. This is becoming a real concern in some of the dry regions globally. Increasing activity from population growth, industrial and agricultural use is seeing increasing levels of difficult to treat contaminants appearing in our natural surface and wastewaters. I am Irene Allcroft, CEO of a company called CatalySystems Limited, and we are in the process of bringing to market a new advanced oxidation technology that's based on enhanced UV photocatalysis using a number of processes to maximize the reaction and destruction of a range of contaminants ranging from E. coli, cryptosporidium, difficult to treat organics, and the metal ions, reducing them to their non-toxic states. A little bit about the background to our process and the process that we've been through. 2009, the company was formed. In 2009-10, we had small grant funding. Then in 2011, we received our first external investment as a proof of concept loan of 100K. Since then, through different fundraisers of just over 2 million, we've been taking the technology from lab scale through to commercial scale. And we're now at the stage of introducing our engineered solutions to the market. So we're currently sitting there at the pre-production stage. The trials have been undertaken across 3 continents. So we have representative wastewaters and potable water sources from across the US, from across the Indian continent, and here in Europe. The results of those trials have showed us to be more energy efficient, a greater destruction rate across a wide range of contaminants than competing technologies, both in terms of UV disinfection processes and other AOP processes that are in the market and coming to market. So what's the business case? As we've heard from other speakers, the driver is on both from corporates and from municipal companies to reduce their OPEX costs, to sweat their existing assets, and increasing pressure from regulatory compliance. I mean, an example here in Europe being the Water Framework Directive, which was introduced in 2014, not yet being enforced strongly enough in my view, but I'm sure we will see tighter enforcement of that over the next few years. Continuing operations and expansion in an industrial setting, companies may be refused planning permissions to actually build or expand their factories and their manufacturing due to the shortage of safe, clean water. In terms of market entry and revenue generation, we have developed scalable solutions. They're modular, they can be built off-site and easily retrofitted on new plant or on existing plant build. And we've got a 1 to 20 cubic meter per hour capacity currently. And we feel there's significant market in the industrial sector and in the community scale sector for systems of those size. The largest project we're currently bidding for is a 180 cubic meter per hour industrial scale system. We're engaged with early adopters who have got multiple site applications. So, for example, we may be engaged with a particular corporate who maybe has 500 sites worldwide, where again we could roll out our technology, and that's only with one client. On forward revenue streams, we see ourselves generating direct early scale revenues. We're looking to license to engineering, build and delivery partners already active in key geographic markets and supplying the GyrCat component as an OEM component to system integrators. The management, as well as myself, we're a small team currently of only 4 people, but the executive management, there's myself, also Robert Keep, his technical director, who's got experience in the sector of taking a technology all the way through to commercialization. This is with Purite, which was sold out to Suez in 2002. And more recently, he was involved with P2I, another venture-backed business. Dr. Alan Loudon, our NXD, brings experience from municipal and the larger energy and large engineering contractors to our board. And we're supplemented by a number of external parties, including Professor Lapuma, a leading academic in the field of both photocatalysis and in advanced oxidation processes. In terms of routes to market, we have Vipro Water on board to take our technology into the Indian market and beyond. So today I'm here to launch a 1.5 million raise to take us into full-scale production, looking to move into engineering and assembly to bring on board our new engineering resource. We're seeking to be profitable by the end of financial year 17-18 and building a forward pipeline of sold order book, driving to exit in around 3 to 5 years. Thank you.